ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मणम पेज नंबर 429 मंत्र नंबर 9. We have to see the bhashya of 9th. Adarshe. So this is the upasana of Adarsha Purusha as Brahma. Adarshe Prasad Swabhave. Prasad means Swachha. Prasad literally means pure. Prasad Swabhave. That's why Prasade Sarva Dukkhanam Hanirasyopadayate. Prasad Swabhave cha. Prasadastu prasannata. Cha anyatra khadgadau. Khadga also. Prasadastu prasannata. So purity will result in prasannata. Anyatra khadgadau. Khadga, so sword, etc., or in steel vessels that we use now. Hardecha. So this Hridi Harde has come here, but here see Bhagavan Bhashyakar says Hardecha Sattva Shuddhi Swabhavye. There where Sattva Shuddhi is there. And second number Tippani says Buddhau. So Hridi here you can take it as Buddhi. But then there will be a problem because in one place Buddhi Manasi had come earlier. And there also I don't know if Hridi was given or not. For Chandrama. There Buddhi was not given. Chandre Manasi Cha it was given. Chakar is Buddhi. So in Chandrama, Mana and Buddhi. But Buddhi means we'll have to take some Vishesha meaning. So that will be in Aham. All these upasanas, whatever you are doing in Chandrama, in Surya, in Agni, in Akasha, etc., everything is available in Aham. So they all have their respective devatas and respective indriya. But all of that is present in Aham also. That upasana can also be done in Aham. Which Aham? There where Sattva Shuddhi is there. That is what this Hridi everywhere is to be understood. And that's why that Aham Graho Upasana Siddhi will happen. Sattva Shuddhi Swabhavya cha Eka Devata. there is one devata in all three of them. Tasya visheshanam रोचिष्णुर दीप्ति स्वभाव फलम च तदेव रोचनाधार बाहुल्यात् फल बाहुल्यम. तस्याः विशेषणम रोचिष्णु. रोचिष्णु मीन्स दीप्ति स्वभाव. That which is shining. And phalam is phalam cha tadeva. What is the phalam? Phalam is you become of deepti swabhav. Rochanadhar bahulyat phala bahulyam. So there are many adhara. Therefore phalam also will have manyness. Rochana adhara bahulyat phala bahulyam. Deepti are there many, like lightning, etc. We saw. This is same. See tika. आर्दे च इति एतदेव स्पष्टयति सत्व शुद्धि स्वाभाविक. सर्वत्र एक इति विशेषणस्य देवता इति विशेष्यतया संबध्यते. एक इति विशेषणस्य एका देवता इज गिवन, सो दैट एका इति विशेषण देवता, एका का देवता. संबध्यते तदेव रोचिष्णुत्वम. And that is Rochishnutvam, that Devata, there is Rochishnutvam. Imagine where everybody is shining, everybody is brilliant. It will be Rochishnustan. Further, the 10th mantra. सहोवाच गार्ग्यो य एवायम यंतम पश्चात शब्दो अनुदेति एतमेवाहम ब्रह्मोपास इति. सहोवाच अजातशत्रुर मा मयि तस्मिन् संवदिष्ठा असुरिति वा अहमेतम उपास इति. स य एतमेवम् उपास्ते सर्वं हवै अस्मिन् लोके आयुरिति आयुरेति. नैनम पुरा कालात् प्राणो जहाति. So Gargya gives the next upasana. Ya eva ayam yantam. Yantam gachantam. Ingatau dhatu. Then what is the sutra? Mukhya sutra. How ikara becomes yakara? Ino yan. There is a sutra. Ino yan. 6481. This is the Mukhya Sutra. Like Yanti, from Ingatau Dhatu, it is this only. Yantam, Pashat Shabdo Anudeti. When a person goes, walks, so some sound comes. Meditate on that sound as Brahma. Etameva aham Brahma upasa. Means for this, you have to be very alert. And mind has to be there all the time. And when you are walking, then you can feel that what he is referring to is in the air, if there is any movement, then there will be Shabda. Like if you are walking in one direction and wind is coming this way, when you walk, there will definitely be a sound. You can, like Ganga Kinare, if you are walking and a lot of wind is coming. Otherwise, there is Sukshma Shabda. Shabdo Anudeti. That's Shabda which rises. He says, this is Brahma. Etam eva aham Brahma upasayati. So what he is referring to is Shabda in Samashti Vayu. इति सहोवाच अजातशत्रुर् मामैतस्मिन् संवदिष्ठा असुरिति वा. And he says this asu means prana. Prana is vyashti vayu. I do upasana of this as vyashti, prana rupena. And there also there is a sound. So those who do pranayama meditation, they meditate on these things. Sound meditation. अहम एतम उपास इति सय एतम एवं उपास्ते सर्वम हैव अस्मिन् लोक आयुरेति. The one who does this upasana, that upasana phalam is there, and Ajatashatru says, I know this upasana phalam also. What is the phalam? Saya etam evam upaste sarvam haiva asmin loka ayureti. In this world, he will have complete ayu. Sarvam ayu. Sarvam ayu means purna ayu. Na enam pura kalat prano jahati. Before time, his prana will not leave him, because he has done this prana rupena upasana. In other words, he will live long life. भाष्य यंतम गच्छन्तम य एव अयम शब्दः पश्चात् पृष्ठतो अनुदेति अध्यात्मं च जीवन हेतुः प्राणस तम एकीकृत्य आह असुः प्राणो जीवन हेतुरिति. पश्चात् पृष्ठतः अनुदेति. That shabda which arises when you walk. And in adhyatma, adhyatmam cha jivan hetu prana, the life prana. Tam ekikritya, combining the two, that shabda which is while walking and the prana, ekikritya aha asuhu. टीका आह एतम एव अहम इति इत्यादि इति शेषः. Not only asuhu, asuhu pranah, aham means I am that. What is this asuhu prana eva brahma aham? This prana brahma or asu brahma I am, which is jivana heturiti. Iti gunaha. Gunaha टीका तस्य गुणवद उपासनस्य इत्यर्थः. So this jivan hetu is the guna of that prana. Tasya gunavad upasanam. Gunavat नतु प्रत्यय. गुण वाला जो है उसका उपासना. गुणवत् उपासनस्य तस्य फलम सर्वमायुः अस्मिन् लोक एति इति. अस्मिन् लोके सर्वमायुरेति. In this world you'll have complete life. Eti
गच्छति
गच्छति. टीका सर्वमायु रीति एतद व्याचष्टे. What is the meaning of the word सर्वमायु? यथोपात्तम भाष्य. यथोपात्तम कर्मणा आयु कर्मफल परिच्छिन्न कालात् पुरा पूर्वं रोगादिभिः पीड्यमानमपि एनं प्राणो न जहाति. कर्मणा यत् आयुः उपात्तम, whatever lifespan that you have attained because of your prarabdha karma, कर्म फल परिच्छिन्न कालात् pura. Before that, karma phala paricheda means end comes. Prior to that, even if you get sickness, life will not go from you. Kalat pura purvam rogadibihi pidyamanamapi. He may be suffering, but prana says, I will not leave you because you have done my upasana. I don't know if it is good or not good. Rogadibihi pidi. So that means he has to do another upasana. That upasana will come later. You have to combine. So you don't have roga also and prana will not go away also. That is the double upasana phalam. Purvam rogadibihi pidyamanam api enam prano na jahati. Prana doesn't leave this person. So what it means is that when we begin our life, our lifespan is actually already set. How long we are going to live, what sukha dukha we are going to experience, rogadi, everything. In Yoga Sutra, there is a sutra, jati, ayu, bhoga, all of them, they are known in the beginning. Jati means manushya, pashu, ityadi. In that also sometimes Brahmana, Kshatriya, etc. is known. Ayu, how long? Bhoga, what bhoga he will get, sukha, dukha, everything. So we struggle for some of these things. Best is work for moksha. Next one now, 11th. Sahovacha gargyo ya evayam dikshu purusha etam evaham brahmopasa iti. Sahovacha ajata shatrur mamaitasmin samvadishtha द्वितीयो अनपग इति वा अहम एतम उपास इति सय एतम एवं उपास्ते द्वितीयवान भवति न अस्मात् गणश्छिद्यते. So hovacha Gargya, that Gargya said, okay, I will give you another upasana. Dikshu Purusha, in the Disha, there is a Purusha. That etam eva aham brahmopase. I do upasana of that Purusha as Brahma. Means you also should do. Iti so hovacha ajata shatruhu. Ajata shatru said, ma maitasmin sammadishtha. Don't give me this upasana. I have already done this. I know the phalam also. How am I doing this upasana? Dvitiyo anapagaha iti. Anapagaha, apagaha, apam gacchati iti apagaha. Na apagaha, anapagaha. Apaga means that which goes away far. It's called apagaha. Anapagaha means that which always stays close. Anapaga iti va aham etam upasa. He says, I do this upasana. Saya etam evam upaste, and whoever does this upasana, dvitiyavan bhavati. Dvitiyavan means he will have a companion. He will have some shishyas always around him. Or if he's a grahastha, he will have some bhrityadi sevaka or putra putri, something. Dvitiyavan bhavati. Na asmat ganaschidyate. And from that person, gana means the sevakas. Gana cheda will not happen. Tika. Dikshu karnayor Hridi cha. Digdevata for Karna, for Shravanendriya. So Karna Yoho and Hridi cha in the Hridaya means that Buddhi are in Aham. Cha Eka Devata Ashwinau Devau Avyukta Swabhavau Ashwinau Devau Avyukta Swabhavau. Ashwini Kumara are two and they are Avyukta Swabhava, they are always together. अश्विनी अव्युक्त स्वभाव गुण तस्य द्वितीयवत्वम अनपगत्वम अव्युक्तता च. द्वितीयवत्वम अनपगत्वम, there is no going away from you. अनपगत्वम अव्युक्तता च अन्योन्यम दिशाम अश्विनोश्च एवं धर्मित्वात् तदेव च फलम उपासकस्य. अन्योन्यम दिशाम अश्विनोः च एवं धर्मित्वात्. टीका का पुनः असा वेका देवता तत्राह अश्विनौ. which what is that devata? Ashwinau devata. Tasya tasya dvitiyavatvam tasya devasya. That devata doesn't have or does have dvitiyavatvam. Somebody will always be there. Anapagatvam yathoktam gunadvayam upapadayati. So what are these two gunas? In Bhashya it is given dvitiyavatvam anapagatvam avyuktata cha anyonyam disham ashwinau cha evam dharmitvat. Ashwini Kumara, they have anapagatvam, avyuktatvam. They are not separated. Dvitiyavatvam means sadhu bhrityadi parivritatvam. See, I told you, he will have second one. Second one means he will have sadhu bhritya. Sadhu bhritya means good sevakas. Not those sevakas who somebody was saying they will see you have money. They will come. They'll say, I will do seva, I will do seva. In 2-3 days, everything is out. They will steal. So not the such sevaka. Good sevakas. Sadhu sevaka. Sadhu vrityadi parivritatvam. Or sometimes they see Mahatma is getting old. Kutia is there. They say, I will become sevak. Sevak means they just want that ashram and everything. That's all. Ashwinausha evam dharmitvat. Ashwini Kumara have this as their dharma. Evam dharmitvat tadeva cha phalam upasakasya gana avichchedo dvitiyavatvam cha. So there is no gana vichcheda. Means that lineage will continue. Dvitiyavatvam also will remain. The second will also be there. Sadhu Vritya will be surrounding this person. It is Punya Karma. See what is said here, all this is phalam of Punya. To get Sadhu Vritya, I have to do some upasana. And in families, many times, they have some servants from generation 1, 2 generation. And they stay there and you can be nischinta with them. And they will take care of everything. And family also takes care of them, their children's studies, wedding, everything they support. Well, they are like family members. Sadhu Vritya. And asadhu vritya, you have to go to big city to find out asadhu vrityas. You will never get anybody. And they will come as if they are the boss and you are the servant. They'll say, this day I cannot come, that day I will come late. You say, yes, yes. Or what else will you do? सहोवाच गार्ग्यो य एवायम छायामय पुरुषः एतमेवाहम ब्रह्म उपास इति सहोवाच अजातशत्रुर् मामैतस्मिन् संवदिष्ठा मृत्युरिति वा अहम एतम उपास इति स य एतमेवम् उपास्ते सर्वं हैव अस्मिन् लोक आयुरेति नैदं पुरा कालान् मृत्युरागच्छति. This Chayamaya Purusha, Gargya says, Chayamaya Purusha means the shadow. Etameva aham Brahma upase. He said, this is Brahma. Ajata Shatru says, I already know this, so don't tell me about this upasana. Sahovacha Ajata Shatru Mahamai Tasmin Samvadishta. Mrutyuritiva aham etam upase. I do upasana of this as Mrutyuhu. This Chayamayam, this Chaya is Mrityu. इति सय एतम एवं उपास्ते सर्वम हैव अस्मिन् लोक आयुरेति अस्मिन् लोके he will get the complete lifespan. नैनम पुरा कालान मृत्यु आगच्छति and before time मृत्यु will not come. So I told you this upasana and that earlier one. What was the earlier one?
Disha.
Not
Yantam.
and that prana asu together. So there रोगादिभिः पीड्यमान अपि प्राणो न जायते. Here प्राणो न जायते. So what is the bheda? Yoga also will not be there. Before time, the death will not come to this person. ठीक. भाष्य फर्स्ट. छायायाम बाह्ये तमसी अध्यात्मे च आवरणात्मके अज्ञाने. छायायाम बाह्य तमसी in the external darkness. Shade is there or shadow is there. In Adhyatma, Avaranatma, Ridicha Eka Devata Visheshanam Mrutyuhu Phalam. And the Visheshanam, another Visheshana is Mrutyuhu. टीका. शब्द ब्रह्म उपासकस्य इव तमो ब्रह्म उपासकस्यापि फलम. There it was Shabda Brahma, 10th mantra. Here it is Tamo Brahma. Tamo Brahma upasakasyapi phalam ityaha. Phalamiti. Phalam sarvam पूर्ववन मृत्योहो अनागमनेन रोगादि पीड़ा भावो विशेषः. What is the phalam? Phalam sarvam purvavat, like earlier in the 10th mantra. Mrityoho anagamanam. Mrityu will not come. And not only that, mrityoho anagamanena rogadi pida abhavo vishesha. This is the vishesha. Vishesha compared to Purva Upasana, that here Rogadi Pida also will not be there. If you see, so Rogadi Pida will not be there. Roga can be there if you read like that. Roga related Pida may not happen. Positively, if we take, Roga will not happen. टीका फल भेदाभावे कथम उपासन भेद स्यात्. फल भेद is there. Phala Bheda is there, but Purva Pakshi says if Phala Bheda is not there, Phala Bheda Abhave. Because there also Mrityu Anagamanam in 10th one, 12th one also Mrityu Anagamanam. So Phala Bheda Abhave, how there is Upasana Bheda? You have to have same Upasana. He says no, that is in Shabda. Here it is in Tamaha. And Phala Bheda is also there. Here Rogadi Pida will not be there. In the Tika, you see first word, Shabda Brahmopasakasya Iva. That Iva is like of the Shabda Brahmopasaka. What is the question? Like Bhishma Pitamaha. So you were there on that for such a long time. But no pain, but when Bhagavan came, then Pida disappeared. All Upasana Phalam is Sakshat there only. If Paramatma is Drashti Gochara. In your Manas also, externally, let's say, if you don't get, for that you require a lot of Upasana to have Sakshat Darshana of Bhagavan. But if that much is not there, even in your mind, if that Paramatma Darshan happens, all problems will become no problem. Okay, is that. Tika. Now next is, see the mantra. Sohovacha Gargyo ya eva ayam atmani purusha etamevaham brahma upasa iti. Sahovacha ajata shatru ma mai tasmin samvadishta atmanviti va aham etam upasa iti. Saya etam evam upaste atmanvi ha bhavati atmanvini ha asya praja bhavati. Here that is over. Then saha tushnim asa gargya. Now Gargya became quiet. His list ended here. This is the last one. This is Prajapati in Atma. Sa hovacha Gargyo ya eva ayam. Ayam Atmani Purusha. In the Atma Purusha, he does Brahma Upasana. Atmani means Prajapatau. Then Buddhi, and then Hridi. In Bhashya, they are separated. So here you see clear meaning of Hridi comes. See, this is what I was referring to. Prajapati is presiding deity of Buddhi. So Buddhi is the Indriya, Antarindriya. Prajapati is the Devata. And then Hridi. So the question will be, Buddhi is also there, Hridi is also there. What is Hridi? So Tippani 4 number, Hridaya Deshe. In Hridaya Desha. And Prajapati means Virat. Hridaya Desha means what is the Layasthanam of all actually. In other way, if you want to think, all idam will end in aham. So that way, this aham, if I can just focus on aham, there everything is present. Like in Chandogya 8th chapter, this Dahar Upasana is shown. In Dahar Akasha, whatever is in Bahya Akasha, it is present in Dahar Akasha. Parvata, Samudra, Surya, Chandra, everything is present there only. So Upasaka can focus only there. He will become Avrita Chakshu. Then to that person, Upadesha will be given. Natvam hetu phalatmaka, kintu tattvamasi. This aham which is hetu phalatmaka, that you are not, you are Brahma. Bhashya again you see, Atmani prajapatau buddhau hrudi cha eka devata tika vyastani brahmani upanyasya samastam brahmopadishati. Vyastani brahmani upanyasya. Brahmani, what is the form? What is the pratipadika and which rupa is this? Brahmani.
ब्रह्माणं प्रातिपदिका
Huh?
बहुवचनं ब्रह्माणं
Brahmanam pratipadika. Huh? Which vibhakti? Prathama bahuvachan. Brahma brahmani brahmani. Brahman pratipadika napunsaklinga. Brahma brahmani brahmani. If it is pullinga, इतने बड़े बड़े सूत्र people memorize and simple things when I ask Brahma brahmano brahmana. So if it is pullinga, prathama bahuvachan will be brahmana. But if it is napunsakalinga, brahmani. Vyastani is napunsakalinga. Vyastani brahmani upanyasya. So earlier upasanas were vyasta. Vyasta, vyashti means, as I explained, I don't know in this class or only in the question answer I mentioned. If one person is there, like Bhagavan, let's say you take Bhagavan's form, you can meditate only on his eyes. You can meditate only on his smile. You can meditate on his mukham, only on his feet, only on his hands with ayudha. You can meditate on the whole. You can meditate on only Vakshasthala. Like that, there are upasanas given. Here it is same thing. Entire thing is that Virat or Hiranyagarbha. You can take one aspect of that and say, this is Virat, this is Hiranyagarbha, this is Hiranyagarbha, this is Hiranyagarbha. And then later, Samastam. Samastam Brahmopadishati. Prajapatau. Buddhau hridi cha eka devata tasya visheshanam atmanvi atmavan iti. Atmanvi means atmavan. Atmavatvam vashyatmakatvam. Vashyatmakatvam. Atmavatvam means vashyatmakatvam. So atmanvi means he will be master of himself. He is Atmanvi. In Bhashya, tasya visheshanam atmanvi, atmavan iti, visheshanam phalam atmanvi ha bhavati, atmavan bhavati. Atmavan means Atmavan is everyone, but like in Kathopanishad, yastu vijnanavan bhavati. So there vijnanavan means everybody has some knowledge. Here the knowledge is of sadhya, asadhya, pravritti, nivritti. Like that here, Atmavan means he has total self-control. Atmanvini ha asya praja bhavati. Buddhi bahulatvat prajayam sampadanam. Because buddhi vrittis are many, so he will have many praja following. टीका फलस्य आत्मगामित्वात् न प्रजायां तद अभिधानम उचितम इति आशंका. Phala is atmagami. How the phalam will be in praja? This is buddhi has manyness. Therefore, praja also will be atmaswini. Means his praja, they will also all be sarvatantra swatantra. Swayam parignatattvena evam क्रमेण प्रत्याख्यातेषु ब्रह्मसु स गार्ग्यः क्षीण ब्रह्म विज्ञानो अप्रतिभासमान उत्तरः तूष्णीम अवाक् शिरा आस. Lot of बहुव्रीहि समास. So now स्वयं परिज्ञातत्वेन एवं क्रमेण प्रत्याख्यातेषु. First he thought I know everything. Then he is parignyata. When he started giving upadesha, kramena pratyakhyateshu, he was refuted sequentially, step by step. Pratyakhyateshu brahmasu sagargyah kshina brahma vijnanah. Kshinam brahma vijnanam yasya saha kshina brahma vijnanah. अप्रतिभासमान उत्तरः प्रतिभासमानम उत्तरम यस्य सह प्रतिभासमान उत्तरः न प्रतिभासमान उत्तरः अप्रतिभासमान उत्तरः. The one who has no answer anymore. तूष्णीम अवाक्षिरा यस्य अवाक शिरः यस्य स अवाक शिरा शिरस प्रातिपदिका means with head down. अवाक शिरः आस. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.